Hello everybody, welcome back to the Hilltop Retro Shop. I'm Matt. It's good to see you guys. Happy 2025. I hope it's going well. This year so far has been a little chaotic between work and we had like 2 weeks where we were just plowing snow constantly, and it seemed like it was never going to end. And then last week the entire house had the flu. So it's been a little rough. Today actually even we were plowing snow. So it's been busy, but a few bigger updates, some smaller ones, nothing too crazy, but we do have some updates. So one of the first ones, I'm going to go ahead and say, we got another baby on the way. So early March, we have another little boy on the way. We are excited and terrified at the same time. It'll all work out, but it's that newness of going back to, oh crap, we're doing this again. So we're going back to that. Hopefully all that goes good. So we got a couple more weeks and it's going to get chaotic again, but it'll be all right. The update of what I'm excited to show you. So the bathroom in the shop has become a pet peeve thing I've been working on, and I think it's turned out really well. So let's walk in here and take a look. See what you think. All right, so it's totally different. You know, it was dingy and white. I think it looks so much better than what it did. I took all of these plates down, every one of them, and I painted behind it because these little spots would drive me nuts if it was still white. So I painted behind all the plates to hopefully make them look a lot cleaner. And then I ordered over 700 screws so that every plate could have 4 screws and they would all match, because I had some mixed match screw colors and drywall screws, metal roof screws. I had all kinds of crazy crap hung them things on. So I went ahead and did this. So I'm more proud about the wall because, I mean, let's face it, the wall's pretty cool. The dryer vent, which is this, I do eventually want to move it, but at the moment it's his home. It is what it is. I went through and painted all the pipes to make them look a little bit better, and then kind of redid this area here where the window used to be and cleaned it up. And I think it helped it out so much. Lighting wise, it's just kind of hard to tell in here. There used to be a 4-foot shop light in here. I went ahead and put a pretty cool 60s or 70s style light up top just to kind of give it a new look. And I'd like to paint the ceiling. I need to paint the door because it's kind of dingy looking, but hey, whatever. For now, it's good enough. I have a in that bag, I got a brand new doorknob, but Gavin wanted to help me put the doorknob in, so small stuff there, but for now it's good enough. We got the plumbing wall in to kind of hide all the plumbing and just kind of make it look like it's actually an actual bathroom. But kind of got some cool old signs and stuff in here. Like I said, that hole up there, that used to be a light switch that went through the wall to an outlet on the outside. Took all that crap out because we didn't need it, but overall I think it turned out looking really good. The barrel sink, it's just killer. I think it looks awesome in here now. I do want to eventually do some sort of wall here to hide the plumbing, but for now it's good enough. You may have seen in some of my shorts that I have a paper towel holder that I made out of a wrench. So that's pretty cool. And she is sturdy too. The only sad part is I don't have that size wrench in my toolbox. I actually have to go buy another one because I used that one for this project. So whatever. And then in case you missed it, my crescent wrench toilet paper holder. So I try to kind of go all out and do some cool car guy stuff. Got one of the old school mirrors. It's got the little streaks and stuff in it. Just kind of, I mean, heck, it was free. I figured I'd save it if I could. Went ahead and made a little wooden top. So I put my twisted peppermint soap on it. I know it's just a bathroom. It's not like an exciting thing, but to me it is. I'm really excited for how it turned out, because to me, if I ever went to somebody's house and they're like, yeah man, bathroom's right there, and you walk into this, it's like, holy crap, like this is neat. So I'm pretty excited about it. I want to share it with you guys. It's been a while since we've done an actual video. I'm hoping to get back to cars before you know it. Another little neat thing I picked up was this big display case. You may have seen it in one of the shorts. I think it used to be a Timex display. Basically, this was my Hot Wheels. I used to have them on a cork board in the house. I really just wanted to have a cool way to display them out here in the shop that they wouldn't get all nasty and dirty. Some of Gavin's down here that he decided the bottom half of this was his, so I just said forget it, go for it. I eventually want to put it somewhere where I can, as I collect different die casts and stuff, I can slap them in there, put some lights in it. It's kind of a neat little thing to show off some cars. As far as projects go, they've been kind of sitting idle. Of course, this one here is waiting on me to get that one done. That one's been on the back burner where I built his monster truck track for his Christmas, and then I thought I'm gonna work on the bathroom in the shop and do some other things, and then I found the rust on the Tahoe. I had to completely fix that. It was just a lot of things built up, and life slapped me in the face when I set a plan. So we're consistent, we're doing good. But we're getting there on that one. That goal is this year. Paint. I'm sick of looking at it like this. It's got to get done. As far as updates go, the truck does have an update, which is pretty cool. Not a huge update as far as like something to show you on camera today, but I have located a donor bed. Now it's not the bed like the one on it. It is a 96, 94, 96 bed, but I have seen where people are taking the newer style beds and they're actually taking the old panels and putting them on the newer style beds. So if I save the bed side on this side, because it is actually in good shape, and both of these the bed box, where the tailgate latches right here on each side, the tailgate, assuming that poor thing can actually be saved, and then this front piece right here, I can take the other bed that's, solid rust-free, super clean bed. It's got shiny blue paint. I haven't got it yet. It's actually at the junkyard where I got the truck, but it's been cold and muddy, and just it'd be hard to get to at the moment. But I've already bought it. It was $100, and the outside of it's all beat up and everything, but the floors and everything look really solid. They're straight. They look good. So the game plan is to buy another bedside for that side, swap panels to it, and use it as a solid start. If you recall, this has a massive hole in this region right here, so that kind of, makes it hard to have a truck bed when you ain't really got but like a third of a truck bed. So the floor, if you buy an aftermarket floor, it's like $1,100, and that's just more than I really want to spend. So when I could find a nice truck bed that I could just swap parts to, it's gonna be more work. But for $100, that's $1,000 I could use to put toward the other bedside or something like that. So kind of a pretty cool update, because all my videos for the truck have been booming, and I'm thankful for that. I appreciate it, because when you post stuff and you don't ever see anything happen with it, it is frustrating, but it's kind of cool to see everything just spike up. I really want to get on this truck, but I need to get the Forever project done. So it's time to start really knocking out some things. But I wanted to do a quick update just to kind of catch up with everybody, let everybody know what's going on, and show everybody what I've been working on. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys at the shop. See ya.